Hello everyone, welcome to my channels. My name is Belana. In today's videos, I will share you popular topics about product thinkings in UX and product design. The next big and important things that you need to cultivate as a UX designers. Your professors and teacher probably won't tell you. I will cover what is the product thinking, why product thinking is important, how can we as a UX designer to cultivate the product thinking in our daily life. When we think about good user experience, what often comes to mind is a simple, beautiful, and easy of use user interface, good features that makes users' lives easier. However, features are the merely small things of a product. Building the right features for the right people, so we need to embed the product thinking, because product thinking can lead to the better feature design. The core user experience is not only about the sets of the features, it's also about why people use these products. Designing embedded with the product in mind can lead to the user experience to a meaningful and valuable way. So, what is product thinking? You may hear these words often from the job interviews or the UX job descriptions and requirements. Product thinking is the journey from the problem space of a user to the solution space of a business. It aims to solve the real problems by building the meaningful solutions. The first steps of the product thinking is often to determine the problem that your users are looking for. Consider the specific problem experienced by users, along with keep the job to be done, business goals, and the revenues in mind. The goal is to reduce the gap between the user and the businesses by incorporating with the technologies. So there is a graph that can tell the relationship between the product design and the product management very well. So why the product thinking is very important in the UX designer's world? Let's figure out why that is important for you. The products or the features that becomes meaningful when we provide the solution can uncover the root problems. The intention design and the visual design can make the products useful, delightful, and easy of use, but it can't make the product meaningful. This is why a proper problem-solution fit is so crucial for the success of a product. Another important aspect of the product thinking is that it enables the UX designers to ask the right questions, build the right features, and communicate with the stakeholders with more confidence and efficiencies. Oftentimes, as a UX designers, I found sometimes it's hard to say no or to be hesitant to adding the new features before the stakeholders' requests. However, with the embedded product thinking, you can ask the right questions before drawing the layout or crafting the fancy wireframes. For example, you can questioning about, does the new request fit into the user's ultimate goal? Does the new request fit into the products? Does it serve the real user problem? Do people really want or need it? You can negotiate with the stakeholder. Let's research about it in the user sessions to win the battle. So, as a product or a UX designer, how can you cultivate this important product thinking? We can follow with the 5W1H, which is also the basic questioning tool that can help us to understanding the problem facets better. There are 6 questions you can incorporate into your problem fighting to the products and cultivate your product thinking in your next product design. So first, what the problem do we want to solve, which refers to the business objectives and the user's problems. Second, for who we are aiming to designing for, to find the target audience that you are aiming to solve the problem for. Third, why are we doing this? Why the problem is important? Why does this problem occur? What's the vision behind it? Fourth, where does this problem occur? Where it already resolved before? For example, you can take the competitor analysis, find the resolved solutions in the competitor's products, find other opportunities, find some insights from your competitors. When do people want to see the results? And when can the project be started? This is about the project timeline, and you can collaborate to figure it out with the product managers who is take charge of the roadmap timeline plan. 6. How will we do this? The strategy. How could this problem be solved? Finally, we are aiming to reach out the output. What goal are we setting? What exactly will we want to achieve? Ultimately, the product thinkings can help us to reduce the risk of a product failures. In the end, we can create the better features that supports our users' ultimate goals So when you are incorporating this product thinking in your organizations, you can often give those reasons to your managers or the cross team members who don't think this is important, and give them the concrete explanations. What is the product thinking and why is it important? And as a UX designers, how can you think about to cultivate these skills into your daily works and use it as a tool to the confidence to say no to the stakeholders' new feature requests? And when you are asked to introduce a feature, by asking the right questions and find the root problems to build a beautiful, engaging, a good user experience in the end. If you like this video, want to support my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also give the video a thumb up. Hope you found this video is helpful. If you have any UX ideas wanting to share, please leave the comments in the comments section below and let me know what you think. See you in the next video. Bye!